Uni is fast approaching.
So right now I'm just packing a bunch of stuff.
I still need a few more things to get.
Got my accommodation sorted. Everything's changing and I don't know what to do.
I'm really excited for that actually. It's gonna be new.
I'm excited for uni. Obviously my preparation's going good. I've got the bulk of my stuff, like my suitcase, my toiletries. I went to IKEA like I think a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna go again this week because I still need a few more things to get. I haven't started packing at all. I'm gonna be behind schedule, but I feel like getting everything ready is more important.
I haven't even like done, what's it called? Student account yet, and I'm literally going to uni this Saturday. I did go IKEA though. I don't know what I'm gonna do Freshers Week. Like, I don't know if I have to pay for anything. Like, I honestly don't have a clue. And I have to do online enrollment and I haven't finished yet because you have to take a picture of myself. But I need to take a nice picture because I'm gonna look ugly on my ID card for a whole year. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
All I bought are 3 door wedges. From the reading list, I have bought a book. It's basically an anthology of short stories and poems. And then for my language instructor, she said that we need to learn to read, write and speak all of the hiragana and katakana characters. So I have started on the hiragana. Here it is. And then I found out we have a test on Freshers Week, an oral interview and then a written test to see how we're getting on. Am I excited for university? Yes, of course I am. Who wouldn't be? But when I think about the test during Freshers Week, I'm just like,
Freshers Week's the 23rd, so I start like study on the 30th, I think. I am actually not moving away from home so far. I haven't really done much to prepare. I had to read through my geography stuff yesterday, which was weird because I was like, I'm dedicating my life to you for like 3 or 4 years. Year 7 Laura would not approve. I'm also worried I'm gonna make no friends because none of my friends are doing the course or going to the uni that I know of. I'm looking forward though to meeting new people. I do like meeting people.
But I have done an e-induction and I'm kind of there with all the admin that I need to get done for uni. Like, I've uploaded a student picture for my student card and I've got my accommodation sorted as well. So I kind of know where I'm going on the day when I get there. I have about 2 weeks to go, so I just basically need to start getting stuff. I'm gonna try not to have to buy loads of stuff, but I think once I get to IKEA, that's all gonna change.
It's basically just buying everything that I think I might need, which includes things like toothpaste, toothbrush, a bunch of kitchenware. I leave for the University of Sussex on the 21st of September. Slightly scared and excited for freshers and meeting new people, doing my course, learning new stuff. But you know, that's the way things are, so very excited.